Gala time na. Barbecue kasi siya. Good morning! Nandito ako ngayon sa train papuntang Melbourne kasi may gala kami ng aking momshi at ng aking sisams. So sayang kasi hindi ko dala yung microphone na kasama ng creator combo. But I hope you guys can hear me. So at the moment nandito ako sa pang-apat na upuan kasi at the second stop, so nasa third stop from Bendigo. So Bendigo, Kangaroo Flat, and then Castlemaine. Sa Castlemaine, doon sasakay si
Passengers
Avery.
who have just boarded up Bendigo, welcome on board this service through to Melbourne Southern Cross.
Tapos after nun, si Mama naman nag-experience. Ayun, cute lang nung papunta namin. Sabi sa akin ni Eric kagabi, 8:44 dapat nakasakay ka na ng train, ganyan. Nasa iyo nakasalalay yung upuan natin, gano'n. Anyway, I'll update you guys later. They're pretty. Ang buhok. First, ano muna? Ano ba to? Merienda. Snacks before lunch. Meron tayong siomai at saka dimsum. Siopaw. We're here because anong agenda mo, Ma'am Shibel? Say hi muna sa camera.
Si Bebe, bibili ko siya ng pasalubong sa kanyang ulo.
Gala time na. Nandito kami sa ano? Ano ba tayo? Spencer. Oo ka nung pagsakay mo ng train. Grabe yun. So kami sa Spencer Outlet at mamimili ng few pasalubong. Sino uuwi ng Pinas? Uwi ka ba ng Pinas?
Yeah.
Sino kasama mo?
Ako lang.
Hindi nasa Pinas na tayo pag na-upload to.
Kasama ko yung dalawa, pero sikreto lang sa mga taga-Pinas.
Yes, hindi pa nila alam. Pero by the time na na-upload to tapos na ang surprise.
Tapos na ang ate-ate.
Yeah.
Ang
Yeah.
nakadrama.
Mama, say hi! Kain tayo. Korean barbecue. Of course, na-miss namin to. Si Sisams kumukuha. Unlimited barbecue kasi siya. Oh yes please. Thank you. Thank you. Punta na tayo sa CFO. Dapat kasi yung mic, di ko dala. Yung mic. Nakakabit. Kasi masyadong malayo. Siyempre, ang aking mga kasama. Sister mo naman sila sis. Saan tayo?
So, tayo po ay dito sa ating Melbourne Convention and Exhibition Center.
Yeah. Tapos ito po.
So, makikita niyo po dito ang
Ang Daklan di. South,
River.
yeah, South Yara.
South Yara.
Or yeah.
Kita mo yung
Look at down.
Hi, sis. Sabi ni Mama, may si Sumso na sana. Sisams. Sabi ko, Sisams. Nakahawak ang
Sisams.
Ang ganda nga dito. Mama.
Ako na yung picture naman ako nagkala.
Teka kasi.
Nabibidyo ka.
Si Eric, baka mahulog ka ha.
Lakad, lakad.
So, dito ako sa inyo unahan. Oo.
Parang tayong turista eh.
Mama, dito ka dito. Baka mahulog ka dyan sa ano.
Ano?
Kaliwa ka at yung mga nagmamadali na. Parang yung height. As overtake ka.
Galing talaga ng city girls.
Nakakamiss kaya.
Kasi makain na Ferris wheel.
Ano? Kayo?
Ayaw food.
Ano, parang gusto ko.
Ayaw ko.
Gusto ko talaga. Skyline na yun na pala yun.
Nalit ako ihing-ihing
Mamaya na
na
pala ang skyline.
pwede sila mag-lunch sa loob.
Ay, wow.
You spin me around. Day dinner. On the wheel.
Naman.
Sa loob dyan?
Umpo.
Wala, kahit pa.
Ala, gusto ko yun sa dome. Igloo. Oo.
Sa winter maganda daw.
Oo. Excited na ba kayo umuwing Pinas? Anong ating mga kakainin? Siyempre, pag landing ay Jollibee agad.
Ako
Jollibee.
talagang request ako ng sinanya tambako.
Dinuguan ng Tito
At saka,
Nonggi.
ayun, dinukan match din naman yun. Pero rin naman ang munggo.
Loming Batangas.
Yung totoo, yung legit.
Munggo akin, munggo.
Munggo. Hindi pa natin nasasabi kung saan tayo papunta. Papunta kami yung DFO, guys. So, shopping siya. Shopping sila.
Hindi ako.
Ako hindi rin.
Hindi din ako, guys.
Nakapag-shopping na ako ng isang top, pampalit kasi ang lamig-lamig. So, ito, bibigay ko na lang to kay Remart. At meron ako to jorts. Hindi nyo kita yung jorts ko. Wait. Ayan, jorts.
Ako bumili ako ng George na pink.
Si Mama nakabili siya ng jorts na pink kanina.
Mama,
Sa
nainitan ka
cotton on.
Mama, nainitan ka na?
Okay lang.
Okay, update you guys later.
Ate, ikaw nainitan.
Opo. Kita ang tattoo mo, sis. Sa neck. Very uhaw. Masarap ba? Shake pala sa atin. Ah, very ganda naman. Ganda.
See you next week.
She's going down. He's born now.
That's right. That's right.
Naman ka na, sis.
Kaya po di ako masyado nakapag-feel ka. Sis, ang mama nakikisis.
That's not terrible.
Sisums. Sabi na mama, sisum.
So with Jimmy's decision to play,
Sarap ng siomay kanina. Alam ko na aking go-to next time. 950.
JGC. 990.
Ay, 90 ka.
950 yung
Oh.
Miss ko ng ano, siomay ng ano. Miss ko ng siomay ng Master Siomay. Ako yung siomay king.
Siomay king. Master Siomay.
Meron
Siomay
kayo
king.
ng
Like it's not,
Master.
but I think you'll probably
Siomay mo?
to them. So
Hindi ko naabutan.
Ako sa Chowking na. Siopaw ng Chowking.
Siomay mo, nasa Australia na ako. Ay,
Dito, Tambayan.
Hawaii ko no? Pwede ka mag-request ako sa akin ng house blessing.
Pwede na. Ako ang gagawa. Alam ko recipe ni Bunso.
Pero gusto ko steam, ayaw ko fry.
Oh, steam. May steamer nasa bahay pa. Bago pa makarating lang. 2 minutes sis. Yan, dito mama. Sa kabilang side.
Ay, send na lang.
Kaliwa. Platform 2.
Hindi ba?
Platform 1.
Nasa baba na bumabayo.
Yan si Papa.
That's right. That is true.
Yan si Papa.
Yeah. So yeah, the last three
Bye,
days.
ma. Love you. Love you.
That's okay.
Bye-bye.
Yan siya ako dali. Video mo.
Besides the living area, etc. For the study room.
Bakong patak.
It's a slow burn. We'll probably do that little place in right? Just off. Then myself, what we are. We have a study room and stuff like that. Sure.
Kakatawa. Well, time check. Anong time na? 7:11? 7:11 na guys. At bumaba kami ng Castlemaine Station kasi dito nakapark si Eri. Wala, kita mo ng dogo. Maranda na yun. Usually mga ganyan na tumatakbo. Dito kami sa Castlemaine Station. Dito kasi nakapark si Eri. Kasi yun. Between Castlemaine and Bendigo kasi yung magiging old place ko na yun sa Isoms. Diba? Ayun. Yun. So, punta siyang Bendigo. So, sabi niya, pag-drive daw niya ako. Pero may dadaanan pa rin. May dadaanan pa kasi ko din. So, ayun. Thanks Sisums for... Thanks Sisums for volunteering to drive me. Sisums. Maganda dito sa Tamil. Nakapagpunta na kayo dyan Punta kayo dyan Maganda dyan. It's giving. It's giving vintage. Yes. Anyway, yun lang. Punta ako kay Mark guys after Diyos ko antok. Tukbon siya. Si Mama nakauwi na. Kita nyo naman guys. Sundo siya ni Papa. Ang lapit-lapit lang nila. Parang few minutes lang nagsabi na siya ng home na house na sila. And ayun. So kami minutes tayo? 20 minutes kami ba kay flat. So, Kangaroo Flat yung next na parang station nung train. Yun din kami. Next din is Kangaroo Flat. Okay, guys. Yan lang. Hi, guys. So, another day in Melbourne, but this time, nandito ako ngayon sa hotel. So, naka-check-in ako sa Mantra on Jolimont kasi I have a gala night to attend to tonight. So, that will be following later. Susunod siya mamaya. Kasi meron din kaming event kanina. So, I was at the shop this morning. I did help them when they opened, and then after that, nag-train lang ako papunta dito sa Melbourne with all my suitcase. Oh, grabe naman, okay. Isang small na suitcase lang naman yung dala ko kasi we're just gonna be here for a night. Kasi I was invited by the Premier of Victoria to attend a Chinese New Year gala night as an intercultural ambassador of Bendigo, representing the Philippines, of course. So yun, then 9:30 p.m. siya matatapos. So I just decided na, so me and Doug decided na mag-staycation na lang kami for a night here in Melbourne. Post-Valentine's celebration na rin namin yon. Ayun, so balik na lang kami ng Bendigo tomorrow. So tomorrow, sobrang busy talaga. Tomorrow will be our day off. Yun yung pinaka-day off namin. Bukas. No, minsan lang kami makapag-day off dalawa. But, kanina talagang umaga, when I woke up, I was just like, I don't think I can do it. Sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. We had, I think, yesterday was our busiest ever na drinks lang. So, highest sales ever since we rebranded to Mix and Matcha. Is it? I think so. So, that was yesterday. And then, yeah, we had a very busy day yesterday. Mula umaga, 9 a.m. We're already out. So, basically, out ng shop. So, maaga pa lang, nasa shop na kami, 9 a.m. Before 9 is our actually first delivery. 9 a.m. Dapat nandun na kami sa bahay na aming pagdideliveran. So, 9 a.m. to 11 was the deliveries. Kasi 11 to 12, I will be helping at the shop. And then 12, wrong. 11 to 2, I will be helping at the shop. And then 2 p.m. from the shop, I went to the location of our event to help Doug set up. And then 3 to 8 is the event. Before 8 o'clock, I'm already nearing the end. I can already feel my body is so sore. Yun, kaya ito na yung pinaka-staycation namin. This morning, nahirapan akong gumising. I mean, gising ako pero nahirapan akong bumangon. But I still need to kasi nga mayroon kaming event. And this, plus I'll be at the shop. So yun. So 12 noon ako umalis ng Bendigo. Before I check in sa hotel, kumain na muna ako sa City. Well, this is City anyway. I'm doing this power sharing. So it is, what time is it? So it's 4:43, the gala is at 6:30. So technically, I only have an hour. Sabihin na natin an hour and 15 minutes to ready myself. I didn't bring much makeup. I'm only gonna be doing very, very, very simple makeup. Diyan lang ako sa toilet. I only booked a King Studio here sa Mantra on Joliman. Kasi we're only gonna be staying for one night naman. So I don't really want to spend too much money. But also, I pay for the comfort. The location of the event is near MCG. That's why I booked this. Kasi ito yung near MCG. Nasa Bendigo pa si Doug. Actually, i-combine ko tong vlog na to sa vlog namin nila Mama the other day. Kasi last Thursday lang yan. Nag-Melbourne din kami nila Mama. So, I'll combine that vlog. Kasi sobrang konti lang ng clips nun. I'm hoping na nakaupo mamaya. I don't know. I know there's gonna be a lot of big names in Australian politics there, to be honest. Wala naman akong pakialam. But because I got invited as a intercultural ambassador, of course, I have to attend, diba? Minsanan lang to. And my term as a volunteer will be finishing the end of this year. So, at least na lang, diba? May something akong big na na-attend. Kagabi lang ako nag-empake, guys. We were so busy, I don't really have time. I should have packed in advance, pero sobrang busy ko also with other things. I'm into this old liquidy makeup, like liquid contour. My blush, my liquid blush is actually not here. I'm gonna be using this tint, cheek and lip tint. I do have an actual blush though, hindi ko nadala. Going there would be a surprise to our family. Si Mama lang alam nila nung uwi, pero sama talaga kami ni Ailey. We'll be doing very simple makeup lang. Dapat dalagang Pilipina. Very fresh looking lang dapat tayo tonight. Charas. So, parang pa-fresh look lang. Mahirap guys mag-makeup kapag malabo yung mata. Nearsighted ako. May astigmatism. Lahat na. Diba? Parang pa-fresh lang. Tint lang. Ganyan. Then, ay! Ito pala yung blush ko, guys. Akala ko niiwan ko. Dala ko pala. Ano ba yan? Sige, mamaya ka pang retouch. Pang retouch ka na lang. Ay, ito yung aking lipstick. Simple lang din. Na-feature ko na to sa vlog. BLK. Ayan. Now that it's done, ng ating simple makeup look, ganyan lang tayo guys. Very padalagang Pilipina yung effect natin. Simple lang pala yung pinok namin kung room. Studio lang siya. King Studio. pet na sa likod ko. So, 5 o'clock pa lang actually. Medyo maaga pa. Siguro mga 6 ako alis. Kasi dyan lang siya, oh. As in, literally minutes away lang siya. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna probably lay down in bed. And then, mga around 5:30, 30 minutes, I will try my dresses. Kung alin yung babagay. And I'll show you guys. Let's do an outfit thingy later. I'm not sure guys if you can see, but this is my outfit. Red, para of course, Chinese New Year. Though Filipiniana. And look at my back guys. Diba? Paano ko yan natali? You know what I did? I saw this on TikTok. Someone actually asked the receptionist if they can send someone into the hotel room para tulungan sila. I didn't though. I didn't ask them to send someone here in their room, but I went down. Naka-cover of course, but I went down to ask them to help me in regards regarding yung likod. And she did such a good job. Oh my goodness. I'm very, very thankful. So, dito yun sa Mantra on Jolimont, guys. She's really lovely. I forgot to get her name, though. I will try to get her name. But yeah, I'm so thankful. But, this would be my look. Very dalagang Pilipina. Maglalagay tayo ng accessories in a bit. But, I'm gonna have the lipstick on. Parang kailangan tingong mag-retouch lang ng lips. But, that's it. Wait. Nanditong pa-mirror na nagaganap. Layo pala. Hindi rin kita masyado. See? Jewelry. Si Pearl. Si Pearly Shell. I rarely wear accessories, guys, to be honest. Muntik na. Yan natin pa-pearl. And last. Yan na, guys. Ating outfit. Sana. Uy.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna take pictures.
Oh, I mean, not that I saw it wasn't out of that.
Oh, yeah?
You want bread?
Yeah? Maybe.
I didn't think it was the same thing.
Mother? You wanna tell your mother?
That's what I call it.
它有些就没有写什么东西的嘛，它就要你列出来是什么东西。那发票是要给的。
It's actually really good. The chicken. Yeah.
Let us all look forward to a prosperous year of the horse. Please look at the center camera.
Take us around to all of our relatives, and we would get the little Lissy, the little red packets with the lucky money in it. And as I've gotten a little bit older, it means that I now have the pleasure of being able to give Lissy to my nieces and nephews and goddaughters as well. There's so much pleasure in the giving of it. But when I spoke to my parents, actually, I think they went to my uncle's place on Tuesday. They said, "Oh well, are you going to give Lissy to your uncle as well?" And I thought, "Oh my goodness, I didn't realise that we did that tradition as well." So it's something new for me, and I'm looking forward to that. At APWA, we're really fortunate actually.
Year is about renewal, family, and gratitude. It's a time to reset, to honor our elders. We are here to share stories.
Not much left. Yeah, this is the matcha. Matcha. Yeah. What? I'm already on the way back to the hotel. The gala is done. Tapos na guys, at ang sakit-sakit na lang pa ako. As in, Sulphur Hills pa. I'm just gonna take an Uber. Then, uwi na tayo guys, okay? So, Uber lang ako and then we will go to the hotel. Which is actually the other side lang nitong area na to. Kaso, I'm gonna sit down guys kasi hindi na kaya ng powers natin.